Just rub some vaporub on a lettuce leaf? You'd never guess what happens when you combine these two simple ingredients. It's a surprisingly effective trick. Tear off a few fresh lettuce leaves, ideally straight from the head. These leaves, full of natural moisture and cooling properties, form the perfect base. Place them in the fridge for about 15 minutes so they cool down well. But don't let them freeze. Once chilled, take the leaves out and apply a thin layer of vaporub to the inner side. This well-known ointment contains menthol and camphor, which give an instant cooling and refreshing effect. You can place the prepared lettuce leaf on your elbow or knee, or lay it on the back of your neck or forehead, anywhere you need a bit of gentle relief. People who use this method say it helps with tension, overload, or deep fatigue. Within minutes, you'll feel a soothing coolness and noticeable lightness. It's a natural way to pause and recharge. All it takes is a few lettuce leaves, a little vaporub, and a few quiet minutes to feel the difference. A simple ritual that's definitely worth trying if you're looking for a quick, home-based way to relax and unwind.